It's a 2016 Ford Fusion. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. It comes with great features you'll love. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, leather steering wheel, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.